We're out here in Plano right now doing an inspection on a customer's house that they're having drying issues, and also they had another contractor come out and say they had the wrong roof vent, and he's right. Coming up here, you can see this screen is very clogged up. This should not be on the dryer vent system. As you can see, all this lint has been building up on the back side of the screen, not allowing them to dry their clothes. Whenever I was downstairs and doing a heat test on the dryer initially before coming up on the roof, I did notice a burning smell. And that's just because that air cannot escape on the roof, obviously, because this is clogged up, so it has to go somewhere. So all that lint and hot air can go into your dryer and cause that dryer to get really hot, and also cause the lint inside the dryer to burn up. And that's why you have that bad, nasty burning smell here. But we can definitely get this fixed today. We're gonna give them a couple options on what we can do to fix this for them, and they'll be on their way to do some laundry.